Learn to create incredible movie-ready costumes for your next project. Costumes aren't just clothes. They're an extension of a character's identity. Our newest instructor, Adam Middleton, certainly understands that. He's created costumes for some of the most important projects in the entertainment industry, including Avatar: The Way of Water, Dune, Foundation, and Ghost in the Shell, as well as the recently announced game, Last Sentinel. In his brand new Learn Squared course, Adam will take you under his wing, sharing all the techniques he uses to make grounded and fully realistic costume concepts. You'll create a set of 2 characters, each utilizing a different artistic discipline and professional workflow to achieve its look. Adam will show you his tricks to make a costume feel lived in, becoming battered or frayed in convincing ways. Grounded costume design means creating something that not only looks cool, but could really be built. Adam will demonstrate how to turn out several different deliverables, including front and back hero views of a character, group shots of your characters posed in a scene, solo and combination 3D turntables, even graphics pages to show each tiny decal. And best of all, this course is specifically designed to guide you from the simplest techniques to more advanced workflows, so even beginners can follow along without missing a beat. Whether you want to create personal projects or get a job in the industry, don't wait. Start creating your own grounded costumes today. Sign up and begin your journey at learnsquared.com.